Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Fold, and did you know that you can actually have a game on this cover screen? So in this video I'd like to share with you how to add an additional screen and actually have access to some games. So the first thing we need to do is to localize and download the app, which is called Good Lock. You can find it in the Google Play Store or Galaxy Store. It's free of charge, no worries. So just find it and tap on it. Let's go back. Here we need to scroll down and find a special option which is called Multistar and tap on it. So now let's tap on the switcher here. And as you can see at the very top we've got this I love Galaxy foldable. So just tap on this option. It is obviously specifically for the foldable options, for the foldable devices. And here on the second position we've got the Game Widget. So just tap on it. And here we've got the games that we can actually apply to the cover screen, let's say. So if you want to, you can add all of them if you want. If not, you can choose only one or two. I think I'll pick, like, I don't know, maybe four different, I don't know. It doesn't really matter. Just choose the games that you'd like to apply to the cover screen, and then after choosing you need to tap on Enable Game Widget. Let's tap. We will be transferred to the list of available widgets, and what we need to do here is to scroll and find Multistar and tap on it, and then tap on Add. Hello? If it will appear right here, then you're good to go. We can just go back. Now all you need to do actually is to close your device. Of course, unlock it. And now on the right you will have the access to the games, and obviously you do not really need to open the phone. You can just tap on the specific game and it will be played right here. You can simply play on the cover screen, just like that. So as you can see, it is really nice. Highly recommend to check it, to do that. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.